So we should learn or understand the three things. That is, first one is the nature, second one is the competency, and third one is the skill. So nature, जिसको हम स्वभाव कहते हैं, हर एक व्यक्ति का जो स्वभाव है वो वेरी होता है इंडिविजुअल टू इंडिविजुअल। तो वो स्वभाव को जानना चाहिए। देन हमारी जो कॉम्पिटेंसी है उसको जानना चाहिए। तो कॉम्पिटेंसी जानना इज़ अ वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, क्योंकि क्या हो गया है, इन द रेस हम भूल गए हैं और जो दूसरे कर रहे हैं हमें लगता है कि हमें भी वो करना चाहिए, और इसलिए हमारे में जो कॉम्पिटेंसी है हमें लगता है कि हाँ मेरे में वो कॉम्पिटेंसी है। वैसे हर एक में हर व्यक्ति कोई भी काम कर सकता है, बट द नेचुरल गिफ्ट is important, that is called as core competency, or awareness and realization of core competency is foremost important condition for to become a successful person. तो that is important. core competency क्या है, वहाँ तक हम पहुँचना चाहिए हमारी। और फिर आती है skill, that is related to the creativity, a specific way to do a particular task or thing, जिसको हम कहेंगे। तो ये तीनों चीजें जानना चाहिए, तब जाके पॉसिबल है कि हम जो बनना चाहते हैं, whatever you want to become a master in a particular field, आप डॉक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, आप सक्सेसफुल इंजीनियर बनना चाहते हैं, आप सक्सेसफुल मैनेजर बनना चाहते हैं, आप सक्सेसफुल बिजनेसमैन बनना चाहते हो, आप सक्सेसफुल गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर, आईएएस ऑफिसर बनना चाहते हो, आप सक्सेसफुल क्रिकेटर बनना चाहते हो, डांसर बनना चाहते हो, एक्टर बनना चाहते हो, पेंटर बनना चाहते हो, और क्या आप जो कुछ भी बनना चाहते हो। तो जो आपकी सक्सेस की डेफिनेशन है, जो वैरीज होती है, उसके फुलफिलमेंट के लिए जो चाहिए, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है कि हमारे पास सिर्फ लेबल है। आवर एकेडमिक डिग्रीज, आवर अवार्ड्स, एकेडमिक अवार्ड्स एंड रिवार्ड्स आर जस्ट द लेबल्स, और लेबल के आधार पे हमें जहाँ पे पहुँचना है और हम पहुँचना चाहते हैं, वट एवर यूर डिज़ायर्ड गोल एंड हाउ टू रीच टू दैट डिज़ायर्ड गोल, उसके लिए लेबल सफिशिएंट नहीं है। देर इज़ अ नीड ऑफ टू रिकॉग्नाइज द कोर कॉम्पिटेंसी, देर इज़ अ नीड टू डेवलप द स्किल, there is a need to aware of your basic nature, and then align all this thing, and then you can become a leader in a particular thing, or you are able to achieve your desired goal. So that is important thing. So there is the process through which we can able enhance our skill, and we are able to recognize our core competency. We are able to aware about our basic nature. We are able to build up or enhance the human traits required for to become a successful person or leader. तो discipline, hard work, confidence, consistency or perseverance, and so many traits, human traits are there. So there is a system, there is a technique There are the tools through which we can able to develop the skill by recognizing your core competency, by awareing your basic nature, and then the sky is the limit for you. You are easily achieve your goal, and just not achieve your goal at professional level. You aware the meaning of life. What is the ultimate purpose of our life? And what is happiness in real terms? What is satisfaction? What is meant by love? What is meant by gratitude? What is meant by roles and their responsibilities and our duties? How to live life? What should be the focus? How our health is important? How accumulation of wealth is also important? How to focus on the roles and responsibilities and duties? What is the importance of relationship? What is meant by relationship? And all the things are covered in that process. And that process, that systems make you able to live a joyful life, a happy life. Because that is our basic nature. Joy, happiness is our basic nature. And you are able to reach at that your basic nature through our system, through our process. And we are using the eternal sciences and the Western sciences to develop you in a 360 degree, and then you are able to break that circle of 360 degrees, and you are become a master of any field, and then you are able to fly in the sky. You are able to swim easily in the ocean of life. That is our purpose.